My name is Max, and today I'll be pitching why now may be a good time to get into Ethereum. For reference, this presentation was recorded on June 2nd, 2021. And currently in June 2021, the crypto has recently faced a massive fall, with Bitcoin's price falling 38% in the past month. Up until this fall, the crypto market surged since early 2021, and has become one of the hottest topics this year. While there are many causes for this fall, one of the major turning events was when Tesla and Elon Musk discontinued support of Bitcoin due to environmental concerns caused by Bitcoin's mining. Another was when China banned financial institutions from supporting cryptocurrency transactions. Furthermore, with a global vaccine rollout and an increase in consumer purchasing, it is expected that inflation may rise, pushing investors away from riskier assets. Despite these concerning events, there are some promising undervalued coins that may be a good buy now. The cryptocurrency that I want to focus on in particular is Ethereum, which I believe has huge potential. Ethereum is already well established coin and is quite popular, with one of the largest crypto market capitalizations. Furthermore, over the past 6 years, there's been a 20 times increase in app development built on Ethereum, which could be due to the use of smart contracts. So in short, smart contracts are just automated computer programs that run to verify any transaction, preventing fraudulent behavior. One example use of smart contracts is in non-fungible tokens, which have become very popular recently. What they're used for is essentially they validate digital assets as saying that they belong to a certain person. So essentially it gives these digital assets some real value. Previously this wasn't really possible, as digital assets could easily be copied and stolen. Another application of smart contracts is decentralized finance, which I'll go into more detail later. Finally, some major voices in finance also backed Ethereum's potential, with Goldman Sachs even claiming that Ethereum has a high chance of overtaking Bitcoin. And so, just to show you some evidence on Ethereum's rise in popularity, let's look at these two graphs. The one on the left is the number of unique addresses over the past several years on Ethereum. Essentially, it shows exponential growth of the number of users of Ethereum. On the right is the daily transaction total value of both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And it shows that Ethereum has overtaken Bitcoin essentially in total transaction total value. And now I want to go into more detail about decentralized finance. DeFi is finance that does not rely on any intermediary financial institutions. For example, traditionally, if one person would like to lend money to another person, it would be very risky if they just do it on their own, and it'd be very easily to manipulate each other. And so, therefore, there's a need for centralized institutions, such as a bank, was created to essentially create trust. So, Ethereum smart contracts can now be used instead to replace these banks to verify loan contracts, as these smart contracts are almost impossible to manipulate. And in fact, many of these DeFi applications are built on Ethereum specifically, due to Ethereum's smart contracts. So currently, there's $80 billion US dollars locked into DeFi, and the market cap of Ethereum is over $390 billion. And this market cap makes Ethereum bigger than some of the largest banks in the world, showing promising signs that Ethereum could become even more successful with DeFi. And one example of DeFi I want to go into is yield farming. Very generally, yield farming is where you stake your crypto coins in smart contracts, and in return you get various incentives, such as you get interest, or a percentage of transaction fees. So in particular, I'll talk about liquidity mining. Liquidity mining rewards lenders with other tokens. So essentially you get other coins back for staking your own coins. And these tokens can be used can be traded on other exchanges. So yield farming in general is an example of how crypto coins can be used for more than just transaction purposes. And furthermore, many of these protocols are also built on Ethereum, making Ethereum a very promising coin in this aspect. Nevertheless, cryptocurrencies and DeFi can be highly rewarding, but at the same time extremely risky. I wanted to highlight the promising technology surrounding Ethereum and why they could be a reason to buy it. But always, please be responsible with your investments, and while Ethereum could seem attractive, I think the best investment advice is to diversify in as many types of assets as possible. So, thank you for listening to my pitch, and I hope you found this helpful.
Down the free Auro mobile application, now.